together. Been through a lot, yeah. I didn't stop, yeah. It's coming together now. It's coming together now. All of the trials, yeah. All of the tests coming together. Puro, yeah. It's coming together for real. I was like drinking coffee with pills. When it get low, had to get a refill. All of my people was free, and the only one was reaching out was my grandma and my Jones. We put the money on my book to my phone, praying to Christ that they bring me back home. God, what is the use of this here? I told you that I would not do this no more. That's why I pray way more than before, but I'm still locked up with the evil free to go. It's coming together now, even though back then I didn't see how. I was still in peanut butter from chow, and my hand on the other move from the plow. We don't know the reasons why we going through some things, even though you think it won't. God promised it'll change, and the reason you can trust him, he's the Lord of everything. Although change is gonna come, the Lord will always stay the same. Coming together now, coming together now, coming together now.
Now after you jack it up, you want to put a jack stand on there and release it slowly so the jack stand's holding it. Alright, first things first, you want to use a 21 millimeter socket, deep socket, whatever. I'm using it on the drill. Now if that's done, you want to take your wheels off the rest of the way. It stands one on this side, right up under this end, and then I'll put one on that side. Keep the car off the ground. Next thing you gotta do here, alright, so you wanna push right here on the front. Of course, we gotta get to the top mounts of the strut, which are underneath there. Pop these, come off fairly easy. Set that up like that. Then you also have more little clips down here. You see that? And there's some more, another one over here on this side. Kind of want to just pop it up without breaking it. Alright, so those are up. And this is enough leverage for me. I can just move it up. But there's also more clips going across here. As you can see, there's one right down here. I used that, pushed it up. Well, I thought I did. Just pop that out of place. Like that. Go across the whole front end. Popping stuff out of place. Okay. That one's out of place. And now, last but not least, get this one right here. Bam. Now, everything's loose. Now, on this part, I'm going to use two 22 millimeter sockets. Okay. I'm going to use 2 breaker bars. And I'm going to put a socket on this side and a socket on this side. And break that nut off there. Alright. On this side. On this side. Go ahead. Yeah. After getting the top off and loosening the bottom, get the rest of the way off. Alright, now we need to get this bolt off to move this brake line out the way. from the strut. And my gloves ripped, but oh well. 14mm deep socket. Putting that on here. Putting that deep socket on this. Make this thing come right off. Just like that. Boom. Those out the way. This must be an ABS, brake line. We need those out the way. Alright, now you gotta get this sway bar link nut off. And you're gonna use a 17mm. 17. We're gonna spin that thing right up off there. And we just move that right out the way. Alright, now we just gotta get these bolts out. What I'm gonna do is, again, put my 22 on there. I'm gonna push it while backing it out. Oh! So I got that out. Alright, so I'm gonna leave one in the bottom. Make sure you put your jack right up under your rotor so it can hold it from just plopping down. Now, we're gonna go right up here. And we got 3 bolts we need to take out. One here, one back there, and then one right there. We're gonna use a 12mm and break this bad boy off. Alright, now that I got all 3 of those bolts off, the only thing that's holding this strut in now, holding it up, is this jack. Now, I still have this one last bolt. We're gonna knock this out right quick. And reverse it while pushing it, remember? Bolts is out. Right. Strut is ready to come down. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get the strut out. We'll keep one hand on it while dropping the jack. And here's the strut. Alright, so I'm gonna reuse these springs. So I got the strut tool with the 19mm on the top end. One on one side, one on the opposite side. Tighten it. They're real loose. See this off of the seating. You're gonna go ahead, if you have one of these caps, I was like, couldn't figure out what the heck, how to get to this nut. And of course, it's a rubber little cap deal here. Pops off. Use a 19mm socket. And I'm gonna loosen this up. Bam. Get off like that. And this bad boy should come off just like this. Alright. Also, you can now comes off. That's the mount. You get the old bump stop, which is actually still really good. What we're gonna do here is I have to reuse this. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this back on. Put this bad boy back on here. Okay, and then take this old bump stop. We're gonna slide it. We're gonna slide it down because I gotta use this little seating as well. We are about to put some brand new struts, boot and bump stoppers on. Alright, so I just used a 19mm socket and sitting at the top of this was this little housing. We went over the nut to pop it off. Take off the nut with the 19mm socket, as you can see here, which is will go on the new strut like that. This is the little, like a base piece that goes from the spring. Still got it compressed, the spring compressors. What we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer this onto this bump stop. Actually, I already have a new one, and we're gonna set everything up in the same manner that we took it off. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now I got it back assembled. You just want to make sure that the springs is seated where it's supposed to be sat, like that. There's going to be indentions at this bottom one and make it sit down in there. We reused the same spring, the same amount, same little top boot piece. I just replaced this long boot and the bumper stop, and we're pretty much ready. That bumper stop's still pretty good, but oh well. Alright, now we're pretty much ready just to go ahead, throw it back in there, man, in the reverse process. Appreciate you for watching.
So I was really by myself, I seen the video in Ferguson, Texas, go drill like Little Mexico. Gone off that drink and turned up like a stereo. Beans in the bag of my pocket, no Mexico. Offer boon and sang on steam, them killer go. I would go all by myself in the day or the night. I don't care about the fighting if I was drunk enough for just my in your life. Didn't care about police, I was riding, pull up in your spot, boy, I'm drinking and driving. My mama say stop, but I ain't compromising, boy, I'm thugging hard to the day that I'm dying. Smoking on that ganja till I feel like flying. Them X's and the O's make me feel like I'm dying, and that 8-ball make me feel like you lying. I know that God came in the right time. For real, I was whipping that Honda like a Bentley. First time I got Jack, wasn't nobody with me. That's why I don't make no new friends. Are you silly? That knot on my head with it. Anything's quickly drinking so much liquor, missing on my kidneys, and I hate it costing me. They look like pigs. Caught my felonies when I couldn't see clearly. Just sent me to prison without the committee. Please tell me, can you change my life? They be like, where my cell? I've been in jail. Please tell me, can you change my life? They were like, where my cell? I've been through hell. Nowadays the Lord got me right. I don't gotta drink every night. No, he pushed out the door.